Hello people, today I'll be showing you how to fix this refrigerator. It has a problem. When you turn it on, it makes a clicking sound, and after waiting for several minutes, it does not cool. So, and I saw that there was a faulty component called the BLDC inverter, which is which stays behind the compressor. So you see the compressor with the three pins. I removed the BLDC inverter, which is the brushless DC inverter. So this also is a special type of compressor, Embraco. The model number is written there. So when I removed that, you will see in the picture how it was before I removed it. So it's very important to test the compressor to check if it's working or not. I will also put up a picture on how to test the compressor. So I tested the compressor and it was working, and so I had to order the BLDC inverter. So I'll show you. Here is the one I ordered from AliExpress, and this is the old one. So you take a look at the old one, you see it's burnt. So this is like what powers the compressor. See, it's burnt. Then this is the, wait a second. So you take a look here. This is the old BLDC inverter. You can see it's burnt. The components are burnt inside. Probably that's why it makes the rattling noise. And you see the part number of the old one. Initially I was searching for this using the SVES number, and here is the new one. You see the part number is a little bit quite different, and later I found out that this FMPFC number 193525231 could be the ideal number to get this part. So this is the new one, and you take a look and see that the old one also has this FMPFC number 193 and so on. So I'm going to change this BLDC inverter. I'm just going to stick it inside there in the fridge and turn it on and see. Hopefully that solves the problem. So I'll show you once again how it looks like. Here it's the PCB control board. It sends the message to this BLDC inverter to power on the compressor. So I'm just going to stick it inside here and show you if it works or not. So you can see here, I just changed the connectors, transferred it to this one. So now this is the BLDC inverter. I have transferred all the wires to the new one and coupled it. Now this is the PCB of the refrigerator. I'm going to remove it so that I'll be able to insert this BLDC inverter through here and connect it here. So now I returned everything. I fixed the new BLDC. As you can see, I have coupled everything and I've reconnected the PCB. Now I have to turn it on and see if that solves the problem. Wow, can you hear that? I think it's fine. The compressor sound is now different. Let's see. Wow. So I'm going to monitor it and see if it's cooling.